Open Maps, Open Borders is an artwork that was created for this exhibition by the Office of Life and Art. We used tools developed by Public Lab, which is a non-profit that's based in the United States, to do some aerial mapping of a portion of the border that interested us. With Brexit very close on the horizon, we decided to start to ask some questions about the impact of a hard border. For this piece, we found an interesting part of the border where if the river at the bottom of the border flooded, would make a small island of Irish sovereignty inaccessible to Ireland overland. So we wanted to examine the types of questions and impacts on the humans that live in those places. You could theoretically do this type of work using satellite imagery from Google Maps, for example, but we found that when getting out into the actual field meant that we came into touch with the people who live there. Borders are not drawn on the land. These lines are, in a sense, imaginary.